Hello mga kapuyat! It's me, Madam Flores, speaking and welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to keep updated. For today's video, I'll be showing you how to cook one of the most popular French food, which is the crepe. I don't want to keep you waiting, so let's start! First, we need to put 2 large eggs into the mixing bowl. Then, 1 3/4 cups of milk. Next is 1 cup of all-purpose flour. 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder with vanilla. Or, you can also use a normal baking powder and put the vanilla syrup together with the eggs and milk. 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Sift to make the mixture fine and no lumps of flour. After that, put 1 pinch of salt, any kind will do. And now, mix them all together. After mixing, put 1 tablespoon of butter and mix it again. I prefer putting the butter after mixing. Keep it liquid because the milk that I used is fresh from the fridge. And when the texture is like this, not so thick and not so liquid, now we can cook it. Heat the non-stick pan. Then brush some butter to coat. And when it's hot, pour the batter into the center of the pan and spread it evenly. Cook for 25 seconds and flip. Cook for another 10 seconds and it's ready. And now you can add the filling. You can put chocolate paste, butter and sugar, banana and strawberries, maple syrup, fruit jams, and many more. Mine will be speculoos paste with almond powder, my most favorite combination. Try it! Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, just put a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more video updates. See you on the next one. Bye!